everyone, and welcome back to yet another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooks. Ding! As you can see, we're back in the tiny kitchen, but I'm actually not cooking for you today. No, today's a very special episode indeed. Today happens to be Father's Day back in the US, and I thought that I would do a shout out to all fathers, especially my own father, Kirk Rush, the guy that I was named after, by the way, hence why I'm Cameron Kirk Rush. So this is a video that he took back when he was in the military, when we were living in Germany in the 1980s, and you cannot get any more tiny kitchen than this. So I'll share with you a little bit of the description about both his military history, what he did, and also what he's specifically doing in the video. This is what he sent me. So my dad was in active duty from May of 1984 to February of 1993, and he also served in the Texas National Guard from February 1993 to 1994. While we were in Germany, he was stationed at Eyes Kaserne from July 1986 to 1989. After we returned to the U.S. from Germany, he was stationed at Fort Hood, Texas, again from July 1989 until February 1993. When he was in the National Guard, he was stationed in Waco, Texas. Specifically, while he was in the Army, he was an M1 Abrams Tank Systems Mechanic 63E in the regular Army. He was also a combat engineer vehicle mechanic in the TXNG, which is Texas National Guard. Throughout his military career, he worked on many different types of vehicles. I'm only going to share a few of them with you. If you'd like, I can put the full list of vehicles in the description later. Comment below if you'd like that. So you've got the M1IP, the M1A1, and the M1A2 Abrams tank. M88A1 and M88A2 recovery vehicles, M3 Bradley cavalry fighting vehicles or CFVs, M813 5-ton cargo truck and M816 ton wreckers, M939 5-ton cargo trucks and M936 5-ton wreckers. So the video that you're about to see was of my father cooking beanie weenies. If you don't know what that is, you'll find out. You should try it sometime. Everybody should try it once in life. They're delicious. But the catch is, they're being made from MREs. His M813 5-ton cargo truck, which he made a shack in the back made out of plywood and 2x4s, built up, and it had a canvas tarp fastened down over the top to keep rain and snow out. And the inside of the shack, he fitted with shelves to store all of the PLL that is prescribed load list, also known as spare parts. And for the HHC, which is headquarters and headquarters company of his unit, the 4th Battalion, 32nd Armor Regiment, and 3rd Armor Division, the truck parked in a motor pool at Grafenwöhr, Germany, where his unit was deployed to the field for Tank Gunnery. Anyhow, this video that you're about to see was shot on June 8th, 1987 with his Army buddy Jay Foster and it was shot on his Magnavox VHS camcorder. Yes, that's right, you're seeing VHS footage, which was used to shoot all of our family home videos at the time. So anyhow, that's a little bit of a description. Without further ado, enjoy watching my father while in the military using nothing but MREs. Enjoy. Bye.
June 8th, 1987. Getting ready to fix my lunch, and Jay Foster's going to tape me so you can see how I heat up lunch out of an MRE. There's Jay. Now, I'm going to give you the camera, Jay.
Okay.
There you go. First of all, wait a minute. Come on, Jay. It's taping right now. Come on.
I don't wanna.
Yeah, let me get some dust off. First off, I got frankfurters today. They come in little bags like this. Here's the frankfurters. Beans with tomato sauce. The crackers. And in here, you have the ketchup. Mixed. And I'm lacking cheese spread. Foster, did you get cheese spread?
No, I didn't.
Stop the tape. I gotta get cheese spread. We're back.
Here we are again.
We're back. Got the cheese spread. You cannot do this without cheese spread. Also, I want to show y'all something. This is a real, honest goodness, original, authentic John Wayne bar. It's a toffee bar in a little disc. Candy, chocolate, disc with toffee, enriched sweet, type 7 style 3. Most of the ones you get nowadays are just a bar. This is the real one, the round one. This is a John Wayne bar. Alright, now, First of all, the cheese spread. Looks
Ew,
like
it's gooey.
looks like
There's slime in it.
I don't know what it looks like.
Put it in with a little bit of hot water. That way don't stick your canteen cup.
We're playing Julia Childs today. First you put in the cheese spread. There's the cheese spread. Put that on the heat for a little bit. Let's get it, start making the cheese sauce. Next, we'll put in the frankfurters. We gotta cut these up. See? These are frankfurters.
What's our main dish gonna be anyways?
Beanie weenies.
It's
beanie
hunting
weenies.
style, huh?
It's beanie weenies MRE style. A la Kirk.
Out of Kirk, huh?
Yep. They glue these in here with concrete, I think.
Can't really see it that good.
Open the door. Get some more lighting. Next,
Looks really good, huh? Ooh,
we cut the
what's on the gunk?
beanie weenies into little slices. I know it looks gross, but once it's done, it's not too bad. Whoops, I dropped some of it.
That's dirty. It don't matter.
Don't matter, it's going to get cooked anyway. Out in the field, we survive with do anything for survival. Our stomachs are hardened to a state of cast ironness. We can eat anything and digest it.
Mmm, yummy.
You don't have to eat it. Just because it looks
I ain't
nasty,
gonna eat it.
it's good. Believe me, it's good. Now we'll put that back on the
Now
heat.
we have cheese and sliced wieners.
Turn the heat up a bit. Next, beans with tomato sauce over here, Jay, if you please. Cameraman.
Yeah, your mama smokes mothballs.
Beans with tomato sauce. By themselves, they taste nasty. They're horrible. Horrible. Put them all together, it's good. If you don't heat these up and you eat them cold, this will stop your this will stop your insides up. Let me tell you, these beans are like little hard rocks if you don't heat them up. This is just like the food they give the astronauts to go to the moon, little foil pouches
Yeah.
they open up.
Kind of reminds you of Jobo, huh?
Is it in focus, Jay?
Yes, in focus.
Might want to back up just a little bit. And we'll let that heat for a while.
Oh, it's Jobo dog food. With
Oh,
cheese and wieners.
Go ahead and open that door. Let in some light.
Whoa!
Didn't open it all the way. There you go.
Stay, door, stay.
Now we'll add the catsup dehydrated 7 grams.
Not the catsup.
There. That was dehydrated catsup we just put in. Not ketchup, but catsup. That's soup. Cat soup. Soup made from cats.
Keep mixing. What kind of goulash do we have here?
It's beanie weenies.
Good thing I can't smell this stuff.
It smells good, believe me. This is good.
I mean, the place.
Smell of what place?
Germany.
Oh, the smell
Especially Bavaria.
of sheep manure as you walk through the motor pool. Because a German farmer lets his sheep graze on post. And the last and final ingredient, well, is the crackers. Gotta break the crackers up into crumbs.
Punching real good.
Add the cracker meal as a filler. Also produces a more gravy-like consistency.
Got light flashing.
What light?
Light.
Oh. Well,
In other words, lack of light.
it doesn't show up on the tape. Now we just add the crackers to the... Whoops, I missed. Oh well.
What a dirty bird, eh?
Yeah.
No wonder why Lisa never lets you cook in her kitchen. If I was her, I'd kick you out of the kitchen too.
Now we just stir the crackers in. See this? When you put the camera back on me.
Huh?
Put the camera on me.
No.
See, folks, this is how we have to survive in the meat field. We eat these MREs. You just can't eat them cold every day. It just don't work. It just doesn't work. Anyway, out here at Grafenwöhr, we get a hot dinner and hot breakfast at the chow hall. But lunch is this MREs. MRE, by the way, stands for Meal Ready to Eat. So what replaced the old C rations.
Ready to eat the bottom out of your stomach.
Yeah.
The Russians
But
must have sold
when we
that
go to
idea
other
the army.
field problems like out at Hohenfels, we get these things 2 times a day, maybe sometimes 3 times if they can't bring chow out to us. We have to eat these.
Whoa.
And that's when we're really in the field, we're really rough. Now, put it back on the heat for a while, heat it up, and it'll be ready for eating. Well, also with the package came grape jelly,
Good jelly.
cocoa,
Yeah?
instant cocoa, beaches, the accessory packet they give you matches, coffee,
Toilet paper.
cream substitute, sugar, salt, toilet paper.
Main stuff.
Yep. The grape jelly, if you can round up some peanut butter, open another package, you get the peanut butter out of it. You can have peanut butter and jelly on crackers. I believe this is ready. It's boiling now. It's come to a good frothing bubble. I think it's ready to eat. Look at that steam coming up from it. Doesn't that look delicious? Now all I need is a soda to go along with it. Seeing as I didn't bring very much money out in the field, I haven't been able to buy any sodas. Look at that, isn't that good? You're too close, Jake.
No, stuff focus.
It just looks in focus. Gotta blow on it, it's hot.
2 seconds, just spit it out.
Mmm, it's good. Delicious.
Well, have a nice day. This is my truck here. The awesome 5-ton cargo truck with PLL shack on the back. My home on wheels. Dun, dun, dun. Mighty awesome diesel power truck, cargo, 5-ton, 6x6 M813A1. 5-speed manual transmission, 2-speed transfer case, automatic front-wheel drive kick-in. It's awesome. It's awesome. Cruising range of... What's his cruising range, Foster?
About 500 miles.
Cruising range of 500 miles before refueling. Believe it or not, these things actually get pretty good mileage. Ooh, look at this new tire. The tire is back there.
Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed that. I enjoy watching this year and year and year over again because I just think it's funny. And truly, shout out to all you great dads out there. Dad, thank you for all the support you've provided me throughout my life. Not just as a child, but moving internationally, moving cross country, good times, not so good times, you're always there and made things work. So again, happy Father's Day to you, and happy Father's Day to all you amazing fathers out there. That's been Cameron Kirk Rush with Tiny Kitchen Cooks. Enjoy. Bye.